Hey there, woodworking enthusiasts! Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of woodworking. Ever looked at a wobbly chair and wondered why it couldn't hold itself together? It's frustrating, right? The answer, my friends, lies in the joints. Yes, those small but mighty connections are crucial. Joints are the unsung heroes of woodworking. They are the backbone of any sturdy project. They hold your projects together, making sure your hard work doesn't fall apart at the first sign of stress. Imagine the disappointment of seeing your project crumble. A well-made joint is a thing of beauty, a testament to your craftsmanship. It's not just functional, but also an art form. In this guide, we're going to dive deep into the world of wood joinery. We'll uncover the secrets behind those perfect joints. We'll explore different types of joints, and I'll show you step by step how to create strong, reliable connections between pieces of wood. From the basics to advanced techniques, we've got it all covered. Whether you're building a bookshelf, a table, or even a tiny house, mastering wood joints is essential for success. It's the foundation of any great woodworking project. We'll cover everything from simple butt joints to more intricate dovetails. Each joint has its own unique application and charm. Don't worry if you're just starting out. I'll guide you through each technique with clear instructions and helpful tips. No prior experience needed. So grab your safety glasses, fire up those saws, and let's get started. Safety first, always. This is going to be fun. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of creating something with your own hands. Let's get our hands dirty and make some sawdust. Together, we'll turn those pieces of wood into something amazing. Now that we understand the importance of strong joints, let's talk about the different types of wood joints and when to use them. Each type of joint has its own unique characteristics and applications, making it essential to choose the right one for your specific project. Choosing the right joint for your project depends on several factors, including the intended use, the direction of stress, and of course, your own personal preference. It's also important to consider the tools and materials you have available. There are many different wood joints out there, but some of the most common ones include butt joints, miter joints, dovetail joints, and box joints. Each of these joints serves a different purpose and offers varying levels of strength and complexity. Each joint has its own strengths and weaknesses. Understanding these can help you make an informed decision about which joint to use. Butt joints are the simplest type of joint, where one piece of wood is butted up against another. They are easy to make and require minimal tools. They're great for simple projects, but not as strong as other joints. This makes them ideal for quick fixes or temporary structures. Think picture frames or basic boxes. These are perfect examples where butt joints can be effectively used. Miter joints involve cutting the ends of two pieces of wood at an angle and joining them together. This creates a clean, seamless look. They're often used for decorative purposes like in picture frames and moldings. The angled cuts add a touch of elegance to the finished piece. Dovetail joints are known for their strength and interlocking design. They are more complex to create but offer superior durability. These joints are commonly used in drawers and box construction where strength and appearance are important. The interlocking design ensures that the pieces stay together even under stress. Box joints, like dovetails, are strong and attractive. They are easier to make than dovetails but still provide excellent strength. They use interlocking fingers cut into both pieces of wood. This design not only adds strength but also a unique visual appeal. You'll often find them in high-quality boxes and cabinets. Their strength and aesthetic make them a popular choice for fine woodworking. Choosing the right joint might seem daunting, but don't overthink it. Start with what you know and gradually expand your skills. Start with simpler joints and gradually work your way up to more complex ones. Practice makes perfect, and each project will help you improve. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing, so get out there, start building, and enjoy the process of mastering different wood joints. Before we start cutting and joining, let's gather our woodworking weapons of choice, our tools. The right tools can make all the difference in the world, transforming a challenging task into a smooth and enjoyable process. Having the right tools makes woodworking a joy. They not only enhance your efficiency but also ensure the quality of your work. Don't worry, you don't need a shop full of fancy machinery to get started. A few essential tools can set you on the path to creating beautiful and functional pieces. Here are the essentials for creating strong, reliable wood joints. These tools will be your best friends in the workshop. Wood glue. This is your secret weapon for strong joints. It bonds to the wood fibers, creating a lasting connection. Always ensure you apply it evenly for the best results. Screws and nails. These provide extra holding power, especially for larger projects. They are indispensable for adding structural integrity to your work. Dowels. These small wooden cylinders add exceptional strength and stability to joints, preventing them from twisting or racking. They are perfect for aligning pieces accurately. Clamps. Like a good friend, clamps hold everything together while the glue dries. They come in various sizes and types, so choose the ones that best fit your project needs. Drill. Essential for creating pilot holes for screws and drilling holes for dowels. A good drill can save you a lot of time and effort. Measuring tape and pencil. Accurate marking is crucial for precise cuts and strong joints. Always double-check your measurements to avoid costly mistakes. There are plenty of other specialized tools out there, but these will get you started on the right foot. As you gain experience, you can expand your toolkit. Remember, quality tools make a difference, but the most important tool is your dedication to learning and improving your skills. With patience and practice, you'll see your craftsmanship improve over time. Now that our tools are ready, let's prepare the wood. This step is crucial for creating strong and accurate joints. Remember, woodworking is a dance between precision and creativity. First, measure and mark your wood carefully, using a sharp pencil and a trusty measuring tape. This is where the old adage "measure twice, cut once" rings true. A little extra care at this stage will save you headaches later. Next, cut your wood to size. A sharp saw and a steady hand are your best friends here. Aim for clean, square cuts to ensure the best possible joint. A miter saw is ideal for making precise angled cuts, while a table saw is great for ripping long boards. Finally, take a moment to sand the edges and surfaces of your wood. This creates a smooth surface for the glue to bond to, and ensures a tight, gap-free joint. Remember, a little prep work goes a long way in woodworking. Section 5. The glue that binds. Using wood glue for a lasting bond. Wood glue is the magic potion of woodworking. It's amazing how such a simple substance can create such strong bonds. When choosing wood glue, look for one specifically designed for woodworking. Yellow glue, also known as carpenter's glue, is a great all-purpose option. Apply a thin, even layer of glue to both surfaces you want to join. Don't go overboard with the glue, a little goes a long way. Spread it evenly with a brush or your finger, wearing a glove of course. Once the glue is applied, clamp the pieces together tightly. This ensures good contact between the wood and the glue, creating a stronger bond. The clamping pressure also helps squeeze out any excess glue. Wipe away any squeeze out with a damp cloth before it dries. Give the glue ample time to dry completely. Patience, my friend, is a virtue, especially in woodworking. Follow the drying time recommended on the glue bottle for best results. While wood glue is incredibly strong, sometimes you need a little extra reinforcement, especially for larger projects or those bearing significant weight. That's where screws and nails come in. Before driving screws, it's always a good idea to drill pilot holes. This prevents the wood from splitting, especially with hardwoods. Choose a drill bit slightly smaller than the diameter of the screw. When driving screws, be careful not to over-tighten them, as this can strip the wood or cause the screw head to sink too far. Aim for a snug fit that pulls the pieces together without putting excessive stress on the wood. Nails can also be used for reinforcement, particularly for smaller projects or when a more rustic look is desired. Use a nail set to countersink the nail heads below the surface of the wood. This allows you to fill the hole with wood filler for a seamless finish. Remember, safety first. Always wear safety glasses when using power tools and be mindful of your fingers. Dowels, those unassuming little wooden cylinders, are like secret weapons for woodworkers. They provide exceptional strength and stability to joints, especially when used in conjunction with glue. To use dowels, drill holes into both pieces of wood that you want to join. The holes should be slightly deeper than half the length of the dowel. Apply glue to the dowel holes and insert the dowels, making sure they are flush with the surface of the wood. Dowels are particularly useful for preventing joints from twisting or racking. They add extra surface area for the glue to bond to, creating an incredibly strong joint that will stand the test of time. When working with dowels, it's crucial to use a dowel jig. This handy tool ensures that the dowel holes are drilled perfectly aligned, guaranteeing a flush and sturdy joint. Congratulations! You've now learned the fundamentals of creating strong and reliable wood joints. Remember, the key to mastering any skill is practice and patience. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn and grow as woodworkers. Start with simple projects and gradually work your way up to more complex ones. As you gain confidence, experiment with different types of joints and try incorporating new techniques into your work. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy the process. Woodworking is a rewarding hobby that allows you to create something beautiful and lasting with your own two hands. Well folks, that's a wrap on our woodworking adventure for today. I hope this guide has inspired you to grab your tools and start building. Remember, the world of woodworking is vast and there's always something new to learn. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more woodworking tips, tricks, and project ideas, and be sure to share your creations with me in the comments below. I love seeing what you're building. Until next time, keep those saws sharp and your spirits high. Happy woodworking!